Okay, those of you that trade Forex, I'm going to show you how to do this before the market even opens. You'll know exactly what prices to buy and sell at. This is what I do every single day on any market that I use prediction points on. And I'm going to specifically focus on Forex. So just to show you time, if you look at the bottom right of my screen, it is 2:32 p.m. on Sunday, May 19th. Forex market opens for me in 28 minutes. So I'm in Mountain Time Zone in the US. And to show you that, this is timeanddate.com, Denver, which is Mountain Time Zone, Sunday, 2:32 p.m. right there. So I want to show you this because this is how you do this before the market even opens. Okay, all of these prices that you see. So this was Friday. As you can see, it was a big day, and you can just kill it in Forex with all you need to do is trade these specific prices. That's it. So the prices for Monday, which again starts at 3 o'clock Mountain Time the day before, these are the exact prices I'm going to be using to buy and sell off of. And so this is how we do it. So price will go from, these purple lines are called CPAs, critical price areas, and the market will move from one CPA to the next. And then the orange lines are the key prices, and we are going to use those just to get in on extra trades. So we'll add to our positions, or like in this type of situation, let's say, so right here we closed at 11.55.2. Let's say we break above this purple line, I'm going to short this. So as of right now, we can short this is 11.58, and then this is 11.63. Because we're below it, we can short both of them. Now it depends upon where it opens. We could gap up, we could gap down. Doesn't really matter. We just slightly adjust things, but we're going to short both of these. Now, if we gain strength and we can stay above this, then we're going to go long above 11.58, and we're going to target the 11.73. And then once we get to 11.73, we're going to short that. We're going to short it and then pull out what we can below here. So let's say we drop and we're short on this. We want to probably take some profit here. We're probably going to get some support at the 11.51. Below that, the next target, so the next CPA is all the way down at 11.33. So if we can get short on the 11.58, we're going to look at taking profit, at these levels here and watch for bounces, but the ultimate target is 11.33. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is the Euro USD. Let's look at another Forex pair. Okay, this is the USD JPY. Essentially, we're going to do the same thing. So if you look at this, we didn't make it to the 110. What is that? 110.31. So we still have some upside pressure. So we're probably going to be looking for buys unless we break down. So you can, those of you that trade breakdowns, you can do a breakdown below 110.03 and then target the 109.85. You see this little cluster here. We're going to have some support through here. There's pretty much 100% chance we're going to have some support through the 109.85, 109.82, and 109.79. I didn't put more prices below here. I just want to show you a few. This is like the initial plan. Okay, so we can short that, trade a breakdown. Otherwise, there's still potential upside pressure to target this price that we didn't hit Friday, 110.31. So, but we also have for a new price for Monday, 110.17. So we're gonna find some resistance in there, so we can short that. So if we pull up here, we can short that and then target the 109.85. That's it. So we can use this 110.03 to buy if we have strength. Otherwise, we want to trade a breakdown down to this level here, 109.85. Boom. Huge profit. Let's look at another Forex pair. So this is the CAD, the USD CAD, and you can see up here we did not make it to this CPA. We just had a lot of weakness, and we really ricocheted back and forth between this clusters, I call it up here. So I won't talk about Friday, but it was a beautiful day, lots of really good trades. So here's what we have, a little bit tighter area here. So you see these three prices right here really close together. we are going to use 34.58 and 34.75 as fairly major reaction levels. So what happens is when we have a cluster like this, the immediate price beyond, regardless if it's orange or purple in my case, and you can color these any color you want, these are the prices we're going to use to trade off of, and then we're going to watch in here. If we have strength, we can use these to buy. If there's weakness, we'll use it to sell. So we had a pretty decent push down, so we're going to watch for resistance through here. And so if we can hold that resistance, we want to be short, obviously, and we're going to target this one at 34.32 and take some profit at 34.49 and 34.42 on the way down to this price here. That's the immediate plan, and then we simply use the simple reaction of support and resistance to buy and sell off of these prices. So just a 5-second lesson, we can see that this held as support. If we break, which we did here, we're going to short this. Our next target is here and or here, and we're just going to do the same thing over and over and over all day long, every single day of the week. This works phenomenally. People wonder, how do your top traders pull out $100,000 in a day? That is how they do it. Okay, start small though. Get to your first 100, then to your first 1,000, then to your first 10,000, and then it's just a matter of increasing size. We don't need to change strategy because the strategy is the same every single day. Once you get good at this, which is just repetition because we do the same thing every single day, then you just increase size. And we have a whole strategy for doing that and way of doing that so that you're not blowing up accounts and you're gradually adding and growing your accounts. But that is what we do every single day. We do the same thing for equities, futures, and anything else that we trade this on. There's no mystery to it. We have the exact prices that the market's going to react to. You can obviously see that that's the case. This happens every single day, and the plan remains the same. And so we're doing the same thing every single day, and all we need to know is what prices to buy and sell off of. And the great thing about prediction points is they are highly reactive and accurate, and they are the exact prices that we're going to get in and out of the market. So what I'm going to do, part 2 of this video, is going to show you the progression of that plan that I laid out for each of these markets and then how that all played out.